Here at ProTex Installers, we only use Expel's top-of-the-line paint protection film, which comes in a high gloss or a matte finish. The gloss will naturally give the same appearance as your factory, whereas the satin or the matte will take your gloss painted vehicle and give it that satin look, which is very popular. So this is definitely the best way to prevent rock chips and scratches, and it has a self-healing top coat, which we're going to demonstrate now. So we're taking this brass wire brush, and you can see it's starting to induce swirls and scratches. And then we're going to use a heat gun on a low setting to simulate the vehicle sitting outside in the sun. And applying just a little bit of heat in a short amount of time, we can see that the majority of those swirls and scratches that we put in with this brass brush are gone. So we're going to show the differences between the gloss and the satin. This is a very high gloss metallic black paint. And we're going to be applying the gloss film on here so that way you can see how it enhances the gloss and hides minor defects that are in the paint. So this is applied with soap and water. This allows us to essentially manipulate the film around the curvatures of the vehicle. When installed correctly, the film is invisible to the eye, so you will not be able to see any real difference between a protected surface and an unprotected surface. Over time, you will notice a difference where the film is applied versus it's not applied, as this film does self-heal as we demonstrated, and then the paint or the unfinished surfaces will actually start to get swirls and scratches. And now we're going to install the satin finish. So here's the satin finish film. So this essentially is going to take the gloss and turn it into a nice matte finish. So you see the difference between the gloss and the matte. And then when this is in the sun, all of these metallic flakes will really still be able to pop through this, and you can still see them on camera as well. So it's not going to take away from the finish, it's literally just going to take it from a gloss to a matte finish. Here's a live demo, and this is going to be on a customer's car just so you can see how well this works. Taking that same brush, and we're going to be scratching the film.
Show me the brush.
And this is a metal wire brush. So here we are using the heat gun, and this is going to be simulating the vehicle sitting outside in the sun. And you can see how just that short amount of time, how that has removed the majority of the scratches and swirls in here. And now we're going to be showing the other great properties and on how stretch, pliable, and puncture resistant this is. And then so the film is designed to be energy absorbent to reduce rock chips and scratches, and you can see from that demonstration on, again, the self-healing properties of this actual film.